Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture. So in this lecture we learn about loops. So in Java we have two types of loops, while loop and for loop. So first we study about the structure of both the loops and then how these two loops function. Okay, so for while loop, uh, we write it as while, give a condition, uh, like this is a condition. So in while loop, what we have to done, we have given a condition in these bracket, and until this condition remain true, this statement under the while loop will be executed. When the condition in the while loop become false, it will come out of the loop and loop will be terminate. Okay, so this is for while loop. And for loop, for in this we have to first initialize a variable like int I is equal to 0, I less than 0, I plus plus, and then a statement that we have to execute. Similarly, similar to while loop, it first we have to initialize it. Like for the variable I, first we have to initialize it. I is equal to 0, and then I is less than some value like I is less than 10, and then increase value by 1. We can also we can also add a decrement to it by using I minus minus, and uh, by writing like I is equal to 10 and I is greater than is equal to 0. Now it will work opposite, and we can if we don't want to initialize it, then you can initialize it before outside the loop, like this: int I is equal to 0. Then you can use I there, but you have to remove this. Then also it will run, but you have to put inverted commas there. Okay, semicolon, semicolon there. Hmm. So take an example of both of these. So first of all, make a scanner scn is equal to new scanner, system dot in, then int n is equal to scn dot next. Or we can why we take the input from user, we make it like this: int n is equal to 1. Okay, now while n is less than 9, hmm, system dot out dot print n, and then we incremented it n plus plus. So what's happened there? We have given n is equal to 1. First of all, it check in while n is less than 1, 1 less than 9. So 1 is less than 9, then it will print n, and then incremented it. So it become 2. Now it will again check if n is less than 9, 2 is less than 9. So it will true. Then also print n, and then again incremented it. Similarly, it will go to the 8. 8 is less than 9, the condition is true, so it will print n, and then again incremented it. Now it will check for 9. Is 9 is less than 9? No, it become false, so it will come out the loop. Okay, so when we run this, it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. See, this is the output, as you can see, up to 8. Now this is example of while loop. Now we take for loop. So for int, now we have to print like print like 10 numbers from 1 to 10. So how we take it? Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, no, I less than 10. From 0, it will we run to it to less than 10, not is equal to 10, because from it we starting the loop from 0. We always start for loop from 0. Okay, and then I plus plus. Similarly, in this system dot out dot print, in this also we print n, and then n plus plus. Or we can also write it like this. If we one more method is there. I will tell you. First of all, we run this. See, this also print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will print up one from 1 to 10. Okay, and you can also use like this. You don't have to initialize n from I is equal to 0. You simply run it like this. Like this, you write there, because we starting from 0 and run up to 9 means 10 number. So we write this like I plus 1. So it will print for I is equal to 0, it will print 1. For I is equal to 1, it will print 2. For I is equal to 3, it will print 4. Similarly, for I is equal to 9, it will print 10. So if we run this, then also it will give us same output: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is for this video. In this video we have learned about while loop and for loop. Now from next video we do some questions. So all these basic concepts that I have tell you used in these questions. Revise it all, and then we practice in the question in next video. Okay, thanks.